In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename lists in Trello. If you're reorganizing a board, standardizing team names, or just cleaning up your workflow, renaming a list is quick and makes a huge difference in clarity. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, along with a few tips to keep your board tidy and easy to scan. First, open your Trello board. This is the board that already contains the list you want to rename. Once the board is on your screen, take a second to locate the specific list. In Trello, lists are the vertical columns that hold your cards, and their titles sit at the very top of each column. Make sure you're looking at the right board and the right list, so your updates are intentional and consistent. Next, click directly on the title of the list you want to rename. The title area is fully editable. As soon as you click it, the text will become highlighted or switch into an editable text field. This means you can immediately start typing. Go ahead and enter the new name in that same spot. Keep your list title short, clear, and consistent with the rest of your board. Many teams use names like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or action-driven labels like Backlog, Blocked, or Needs Review. You can also include simple tags or dates if they help your workflow, but aim for names that everyone on your team will understand at a glance. Once you're happy with the new name, press Enter on your keyboard, or simply click anywhere outside the text field to save it. Trello saves that change instantly. You'll see the new title appear at the top of the column, and all of the cards inside the list remain exactly where they are. Nothing about the order or content of your cards changes, only the list's name. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If clicking the list title doesn't let you edit it, you may not have permission to make changes on that board, or the board could be set to a view only or template mode. Check with the board owner if needed. Also, if you're using automations or butler rules that specifically reference your old list name, keep in mind that those may need reviewing so they continue to work as expected. For best results, stick to a simple naming convention across all your lists to reduce confusion and make filtering, reporting, and collaboration easier. That's all there is to it. Open your board, click the list title, type the new name, and press Enter, or click away to save. Happy organizing!